Hi everyone, so project day 3. By this project I was inspired by one of the makes by Tim Holtz. Some of you will recognize it. And what I did here is I have my hubby cut a wooden board at the size of, I don't remember anymore, hopefully I can still read this one, 25 by 17 centimeters, so that should be about 10 inches by, oops, my ruler, 6.5, so it's 10 by 6.5 inches. And what did I here is I created a whole Christmas scenery using these beautiful Gothic windows, which I've cut several layers to give it a thickness. The front paper is the glitter paper from my stash, and then I put some vellum in between, and then in the back finished it off again to hide the thread of the lights, because this one is again a lighted project with fairy lights. Used several Christmas trees. No, they all have the foots. Did we put the foots in? So we did glue all the trees down, decorated some of the trees with some pearls, and then I made this a sleigh with a die from my stash. And these 3 little reindeers are a Mariana design die, and the front reindeer got a little red nose. I don't know if you see it, just gave it a little red nose like a Rudolph red-nosed reindeer. And then here is little Santa's little helper, the elf, who is of course starting to load the sleigh, which these are just decorative packages. They're not real, just some 4 packages to fill up the sleigh. And then the tree, which is not glued down, so she can reuse the tree. It probably will fall out again by the time it reaches its destination. And here in front is written in Dutch, kerst, which means Christmas. And all of this was then pasted with glitter snow with some no, which one is it? Okay, with this one, with the snow tags. So I did glue all everything down, and then I pasted all the snow tags, so it would give all the project an extra hold to and stability. And as you can see here and there are balls on the floor, because yeah, these Christmas trees still needs to be decorated. There's already some packages, and the lights are hidden in the back, and this is how it looks when it's lit up. There. So I hope she will like this. So this is project number 3. I will post also pictures from everything in the either beginning or the end of the videos, more detailed, because it's not easy to film everything. So hope you like this one, and let's hop over to project number 4.